Modern golf carts, especially electric models, are quietly packed with advanced systems, smart safety features, and built-in technology that most owners never discover. And in many cases, these features are already installed on the cart you're driving today. By the end of this video, you're going to look at golf carts very differently, because what seems basic on the outside often hides features borrowed directly from full-size vehicles. Before we go on, take a moment to ensure that you are subscribed and have notifications enabled so you don't miss out on new videos and updates from us. Let's start with something nearly every golf cart owner is curious about: performance. Most golf carts are not operating at their true capability. Manufacturers intentionally limit speed and acceleration at the factory. These limits are controlled by the motor controller, and while they're designed for safety and battery longevity, they're often far more conservative than necessary. On many electric carts, the speed limiter can be adjusted or reprogrammed using diagnostic tools. Some models allow dealers to change settings digitally, while others respond to specific controller configurations. Certain models even allow simple wire or setting adjustments. What most owners don't realize is that the cart's hardware, motor, wiring, and drivetrain is frequently capable of more than what's unlocked at delivery. However, always check your local laws and manufacturer guidelines before modifying speed. Beyond speed, there's torque management. Newer carts use intelligent torque mapping that adjusts power delivery depending on conditions like terrain, load weight, and battery voltage. That means your cart may already be adjusting power delivery automatically without you knowing it. If you've ever noticed your cart pulling harder uphill or feeling smoother at low speeds, that's not accidental. The controller is dynamically changing how power is applied, optimizing performance without the driver even knowing it's happening. On premium models, hill assist torque increases automatically, low-speed precision improves when parking, and acceleration smooths out when carrying passengers. This is especially common in AC motor electric carts. Next, there's regenerative braking. Most electric carts already have regenerative braking built in, but many owners don't realize it's working. Regen braking allows the electric motor to do more than just move the cart forward. When you slow down or let off the accelerator, the motor switches roles and begins working in reverse. Instead of wasting that slowing energy as heat through the brakes, the system captures it and sends it back into the batteries. In simple terms, every time you decelerate, your cart is quietly recharging itself. The benefits of this go far beyond efficiency. Regenerative braking helps extend your overall driving range, especially if you frequently stop, start, or drive on hilly terrain. It also reduces wear on your physical brake components, meaning your brake pads and drums last longer and require less maintenance over time. What most owners don't realize is that regenerative braking isn't always set to its most effective level. On many electric carts, the strength of regen can be adjusted through the motor controller or diagnostic settings. A stronger regen setting provides more noticeable slowing when you lift off the pedal, while a lighter setting allows the cart to coast more freely, all without adding a single aftermarket part. Next, let's move into some hidden safety features. As performance improves, safety becomes even more important, and this is where many hidden features quietly do their job. If your cart has ever shut off unexpectedly when lifting the seat or pressing the accelerator too quickly, that wasn't a glitch. It was a built-in safety cutoff system doing exactly what it was designed to do. These systems prevent runaway acceleration, protect technicians during maintenance, and stop unauthorized operation. On slopes, many modern carts now include anti-rollback technology. When stopped on a hill, the cart holds itself in place for a brief moment before moving forward. It feels natural, almost invisible, but it dramatically improves control and safety, especially for new drivers. Another hidden feature might be the presence of a separate reverse speed governor in your golf cart. This implies that even if your cart feels quick going forward, reverse speed is intentionally restricted to prevent accidents and drivetrain damage. However, some models allow reverse speed adjustment through dealer software. Now let's talk about power, because a lot of it is hiding right under your seat or behind your dash. Many golf carts come pre-wired for accessories that were never installed. Behind the dash or near the battery compartment, you may find capped power leads, unused fuse slots, and switch connections that make adding upgrades surprisingly easy. Manufacturers do this to streamline production, but owners rarely realize the infrastructure is already there. Charging systems have also become far more advanced than most people think. Modern chargers monitor temperature, voltage stability, and charge cycles automatically. If charging stops early or pauses unexpectedly, it's often because the charger detected a condition that could damage the batteries. On lithium-powered carts, battery management systems quietly balance individual cells, prevent overcharging, and track long-term battery health. These systems continuously work in the background, and unless something goes wrong, the driver never sees them. Comfort is another area where hidden features shine. While most carts don't advertise power steering, many newer designs use optimized steering geometry that significantly reduces effort. At low speeds and tight turns, this makes the cart feel lighter and more precise without adding complexity. Manufacturers also invest heavily in reducing noise and vibration. Rubber motor mounts, insulated battery trays, and vibration-dampening floor materials make electric carts especially smooth and quiet. The result is a ride that feels refined, even if no one ever points out why. Technology is where things get really interesting. Many golf carts include a diagnostic mode that's never mentioned in the owner's manual. By using specific key positions or pedal sequences, technicians can access system data like voltage levels, motor status, and error codes. This information can reveal problems early or confirm that everything is working exactly as it should. And as we move into 2026, even more features are starting to appear. Newer carts are rolling out with smartphone connectivity, firmware updates, and advanced battery optimization systems. So the next time you sit in a golf cart, remember this. You're not driving a simple machine. You're driving a compact, intelligent vehicle filled with systems designed to work quietly in the background. And once you know what to look for, you'll never see golf carts the same way again. If this video helped you discover something new, make sure to like it, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more golf cart insights, and drop a comment below telling me which hidden feature surprised you the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.